Hi guys, it's we're at Cosham level crossing. I keep on doing it in my videos because it's taking ages. Why was that going slow? It's plucking there, right?
Should be in about 2 minutes.
But it isn't going off. Hope the crossing isn't broken or something. It isn't. I'd say we're fixing it, alright? The amber light's going to show in a second. Why do I just pass as well? £4,000? No. Yes! Down. Whoa, that's bouncing. I caught the amber light showing like second. That's good. Swear. LED. I don't need to put it right in front like that, do I? This is the service to Cardiff Central. Calling at possibly, I'm just going to guess. Calling at Fairham, Southampton Central, Romsey, Salisbury, Romsey, Westbury, Trowbridge, Travelling, Navan, Bus, Raviston, Peace, Filton Abbey Road, Bristol Parkway, no, Bristol Temple, Meads, Filton Abbey Road, Patch Way, St Tunnel Junction, Road, Watercross, Central. I might just skip Patch Way and St Tunnel, not sure. No misuse whatsoever that time, that was good. First video misuse, but no. Oh, something important. Those are actually skirted barriers, because then they go up, but like those bits here, they just disappear like behind there, so it looks like we're without. Can I go up on the footbridge? No. Oh, fine.
It'll come in a minute. I won't really be back then.
Oh, it's in station. Oh, it's about to leave. I just had the brake release. Yeah, it's definitely in there. SPX rail systems. Seagulls. It was raining a lot earlier. Oh, it's coming! We've got... Oh, it tells graphics! 158798 or whatever. And 798 knew it, and up they go. And look, Steve's about skirts. Thank you guys, I'll see you next video. Weird. Anyway, thank you guys, see you next video. But that's it.